Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. How are you all?
Fine,
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Pratik, as we have instructed, you are not allowed to sit in that dress, please. Okay. You must wear uniform. Even Mars, Ashwin. The two Pratik, you sit properly. Sit properly. Yeah. Good. Good. I want every one of you to turn on the videos, please. I want to see your faces. I want to see your faces. Okay. So now we'll start. In last session, we have learned the different types of numbers. Yeah, we recalled all the different types of numbers that are first is natural, then fast. Whole number,
Whole numbers.
integers, and then rational numbers.
Rational
In this,
numbers.
yeah, this year you have irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So already you have learned and you have solved many problems on rational numbers. And in last sessions, you people gave the definition. Do you remember that? You people gave the definition for irrational numbers. Do you remember, children? So irrational numbers, the numbers which can't be expressed in
PQ form.
P by Q form, P upon Q form, and we solved many problems on divisions also. Okay, it is totally, so now you will learn how to differentiate the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, and two more new terms we learned last session. Do you remember that? Any one of you?
Ma'am.
Yeah, what are those?
Non-terminating,
Terminating.
terminating.
And terminating.
Very good. And one more?
Recurring.
Recurring,
Yeah.
non-recurring.
Totally four. Yeah, very good, children. So first is terminating, then non-terminating, recurring, and non-recurring.
Non-recurring.
Totally the differentiation. Totally the differentiation of rational numbers and irrational numbers based on these terms. Based on these terms. Okay? Okay? So write all four terms very fast. First write terminating, non-terminating, terminating, non-terminating. Next is recurring and non-recurring. Have you written? Terminating and non-terminating. Are you able to see that? Yeah, what I'm writing? Yeah, good. And next is recurring and non-recurring. Non-recurring. Okay, remember this. Terminating, non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring. So now, rational number. Now listen carefully. Rational number. So what is terminating? In last session, you have solved problems. Have you solved? That is the value of pi. That is 22 upon 7. Yeah, what was the quotient of that? Do you remember?
3.14.
Yeah.
2857.
3.14. So it will be
0.1428.
Yeah, you can see there will be no termination and quotient and reminder. Here we never get 0. It will be continue. So is it, we call this as, there will be no repetition. Even repetition, you can't see repetition of numbers in quotient, like it will be not in same order. Number will repeat, but it will be not, it will never end with the 0. Understood? Okay. So if a number give a number, okay, the decimal expansion of a number, what do we call? Decimal expansion. Decimal expansion, that is the quotient. The decimal expansion are you getting me? That is equal to quotient is non-terminating and non-recurring. Both are non. Both are non. You just see decimal expansion of a number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Getting? How will you get non-terminating or non-recurring, Anta? So it will never end. When you divide, you never get 0 as remainder. And the decimal expansion, that is the quotient will be what? Never end. Okay? If the remainder is 0, then you'll get, will you get any number in quotient? No. There will be, yeah, getting Mukta, what are you discussing with your mother? Concentrate. If the decimal expansion of a number is non-terminating and non-recurring, such numbers we call as what? Irrational numbers. Remember this? Irrational numbers. Getting? Take down this. Decimal expansion of a number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Such number we call as irrational numbers. Getting? Yeah, written? Good. Shall I change? Turn the page. Okay? Okay, children? Done? So now, shall we move to next? Rational number. If decimal expansion of a number. So now it's very clear. Listen to me. Stop writing and listen to me first, children. In irrational numbers, what did you learn? If a decimal expansion of number is non-recurring and non-terminating, then it will be an irrational number.
Irrational number.
Yeah. If it is non-terminating, but recurring. One will be non and one will be recurring. And then if non-recurring but terminating, means non-recurring, it will never repeat, but it will terminate after, it may be after 10 decimal digits, it may terminate, but it will never repeat. Okay, these conditions, remember, non-terminating but recurring, non-recurring but terminating, and even one more chance, what? Recurring and terminating.
Terminating.
Both. Terminating. So in all the three situations, the number will be what? The number will be?
Rational number.
Very good. Yeah, very good. The number will be rational number.
Rational number.
Got children? Got the
Rational
conditions?
number.
Yeah.
Rational numbers.
Yeah. Yeah, I want you people to mute it. It fast. Non-terminating but recurring. Non-terminating but recurring. Here, non-recurring but terminating. Anything. If recurring and terminating all the conditions, the number will be a rational number. A rational number. Okay, got children? Are you writing?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so already in homework. Okay,
Homework.
yeah, homework. I used to give many problems to divide, no? 1 by 7,
Yes,
1
ma'am.
by 3, many problems. In that time, you were unable to identify whether it's a rational or irrational, or unable to name that. Unable to, you were. But now you are able to name whether it is terminating or recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring. Are you able to differentiate now? Now I want you to, yeah, I want you people to solve all the problems once again and name it, whether it's a recurring, a non-recurring, non-terminating, and what kind of number it is. So everybody should try for the pi, value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. It is an irrational number. Okay? I want you to check and name 8. Understood? Getting, Kubra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Kanika? Yeah. Okay. Any doubt, children? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. It's
No,
very
ma'am.
clear. Now, better you refer the textbooks. Better you refer the text and solve other problems. If possible, I'll try to take one more class in the same week. Okay? Because of other sessions. Yeah. I'll try to take one more session in this week. Any doubt? Is it clear
No,
to you?
miss.
Is it clear?
No, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
miss.
Somebody is saying no. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, if you have any doubt,
Miss.
children, yeah, if you have any doubt,
No, ma'am.
yeah, you can ask me. So now we'll go for one more thing. Already you have learned, and these are the first exercise first, questions from exercise first. Exercise first. So recall the numbers. Which are the first numbers? Which are the first numbers? Which are the first numbers?
Natural numbers.
Yeah, natural numbers. I'll write it as n, and it
Whole
starts from,
number.
yeah,
Whole
wait.
numbers.
1, 2, 3. I'll write, and then whole numbers 0, 1,
1, 2, 3,
4.
etc.
Okay, next
Etc.
integers.
Integers.
Integers. That is so now listen to my question. All natural numbers are, take down the question and answer me. It's true or false? True or false? Now we have to think and give me the answer. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Don't give sudden answer. Think. Let everyone think. All natural numbers are whole numbers. True? So I request you people to mute. Somebody is talking over there. Please. Yeah. All natural numbers are whole numbers. True? True? Yeah, now you can
It's
give
false.
the answer.
True, ma'am.
False.
Yeah, take your own time.
False.
Ma'am,
Is it true or
Ma'am,
false?
true. Ma'am, true.
True?
Ma'am,
Bhagya? Yeah, yeah.
true, ma'am.
Bhagya, let me take the name. Yeah, let me
Yes,
call
ma'am.
your name. Bhagya,
Good
is
morning,
it true?
ma'am.
Good morning, Bhagya. Yeah, is it
Miss, it
true
is
or
false, I think so.
yeah, you can think anything, no problem. Okay, there is no
Miss, it's
limit to think.
false.
Is it false? Okay.
False.
Okay, okay.
It is
Let me
true,
see.
ma'am.
Bhagya, it is false. From Bhagya, it is false. Okay, now Bhumi. Bhumi,
It's true.
it's true. Ashwin,
Yes, miss.
Ashwin,
It's true.
true. Okay, Prateek, Prateek. Somebody scratching something, so see it's disturbing, please. Yeah, from Prateek.
False,
Prateek,
ma'am.
false. Okay. Somebody scratching something, no? It's disturbing, please. Yeah, now the question is, listen to me carefully. All natural numbers are whole numbers. So see, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Is it right? They are in whole number.
Yes, ma'am.
All natural numbers are in whole number.
Whole numbers.
Yeah, it is true. Now I'll say it is true. Okay. Now, all, listen to me. Next question. Now, is it clear, Bhagya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all natural numbers. See, you can see here, all natural number. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. It goes on. So next, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, they are in whole numbers. It's true.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, now we'll
Yes,
make this statement as false. How?
Okay, ma'am.
How? All
Whole numbers are
whole numbers are
natural numbers.
Natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. True or false?
False. False.
Yeah, for this, are you sure about that, children? Are you
Yes,
sure about
ma'am.
this? Yeah.
False, ma'am.
All whole numbers are natural numbers. It's false. Why? Hmm? So
Zero
give the
because it
reason.
contains
Zero is not there in it.
Yeah. Very good, very good, very good. It is
Miss, I
false.
thought that itself in the first question, so I just said false like that.
Okay. Now is it clear, Bhagya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So you should take your own time and try to understand. Better you write somewhere numbers and then check. Okay, you feel it very easy, but you need to think it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all whole numbers
Thank you.
are, yeah, Bhagya. All whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. See the numbers. All whole numbers are not natural. All whole numbers are not natural. Why? Why? Who is the villain over
Whole
there?
number
Who made
zero.
this statement
Zero.
false? Who made
Zero.
this statement zero? So zero is what? Villain of this statement. Because of zero, this statement becomes false. False because false. What's the reason behind this? Zero is
It,
not a
natural number.
Yeah, zero is not a natural number.
Natural number.
Are you writing this? Take down. Yeah, I'll give.
Yes, miss.
Otherwise, one more question. Shall I give one more question?
Yes, miss.
All whole numbers are, next one. All whole numbers are integers. Third one.
Yeah, ma'am. True.
All, yeah, wait, Kanika. All whole numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers.
True.
Is it true, children?
Yes,
True,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
true?
ma'am. True.
Yeah. Is it true?
True.
Yeah, because whole numbers are integers. Now, it's true. Now, the same, rearrange the sentence and make it false. Rearrange.
All integers
All integers are whole numbers.
Excellent. All integers are
whole numbers.
whole numbers. So now, all integers are whole numbers. Now, is it true or false?
True.
False.
False.
Why it is false?
It has negative sides.
Negative and positive sign.
Okay, who made this as false?
Negative symbols.
Negative integers. Good. Because false, because negative integers are not
there.
not whole numbers. Yeah. Because negative integers are not whole numbers. Got, children? Yeah, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll tell you the trick. So this question first in grade 10th also you'll have same kind of questions in first lessons. Okay, so you can't remember. To remember this, I'll tell you the trick. Anyhow, everybody knows the order of the numbers, what you have learned from from grade 6. You're learning and now you know you should write it in order itself. First will be natural, whole, integers, rational, and then irrational. So now listen to me. If it is from upper side to lower side, all natural are whole, all natural are integers, all natural are rational numbers, then it will be what? From upside down, it will be always
True.
See, this is very easy trick to remember. Natural are whole, yes. Natural are integers, yes. Natural are rational, yes. So can you remember that? From upside, from upper side to lower, you can come from up to down. Now it will be true. Now similarly, now N, W, Z. All whole are natural, whole, integers and rational. From upside down, whatever may be. It will be what?
True.
Yeah, it will be true. Now, if the arrows goes in opposite direction, it will be false. So this is a very easy method to remember. Check. These are natural or whole or whatever may be the condition, whatever may be the question. If you remember the order, that is N, W, Z, Q, natural, whole, integers and rational in proper order, if you remember the order, you can easily answer any twisted question from this. You can know. See, the arrows itself shows what are the questions you can create. All rationals are whole. Rationals are whole. Rationals are whole.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, whole numbers are rational.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Integers are natural.
No,
Integers are natural. See, It is very easy way. Okay. How did you feel? You can do them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want you to write this. And you can write many questions. You yourself can write many questions on this and prepare some questions and true or false. Okay? Can you prepare?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have learned to differentiate between
Numbers.
yeah, which kind of numbers?
Rational numbers or
Yeah, rational and
digits.
irrational numbers.
Rational
Rational and
numbers.
irrational.
Irrational numbers.
Illa, next grade 18. Rational and irrational numbers. Which are the
Irrational
terms?
numbers.
Which are the terms? Which are the terms? Terminating, non-terminating,
Terminating, recurring,
non-recurring.
okay. Recurring, non-recurring, terminating, non-terminating. Will you solve some problems?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, how many rational numbers can be found between any two rational numbers?
Infinity.
Infinite.
Infinite. Okay. Many rational numbers. So between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3. So in next session, we'll learn how to write infinite numbers of rational numbers between any two. That is between 2 and 3 itself we can write. Within 2 and 3, you can write many numbers. Okay, children? So now, shall I say
Yes,
some
ma'am.
problems to solve?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I
Yes,
say some
ma'am.
problems? Okay. Now, simplify this. We'll solve problems on irrational and rational in the next section. So now, simplify 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. See, the example of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. So here it's an irrational number, root 3. Now, how to simplify, do you remember? In many ways.
Using identity.
Yeah, very good. Can we use identity here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which identity? Which identity?
A plus B plus B.
Very good, children, very good. Using identity. That is A plus B into, what is A plus B into A minus B?
A minus B is
A
equals to
A square
minus 2A.
Oh, Shreya, where you are going? 2AB, that is A minus B whole square. So it is A plus B into A minus B equals A square minus B square. Now here what is A? 2 plus
2 plus
root 3.
root of root 3.
2 minus root 3 equals, yeah, now what is A square?
2 square
2 square minus
root 3 square.
root 3 square. Now listen children, 2 square will be 4 minus this root and square will get cancelled. Okay, remember this square and root will get cancelled. It will be 3. What is the answer? 1.
4 minus 1.
Okay, take down this first. Take down this. Now is it clear? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear? Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah, mute first. Done? Okay, now I'll give one more question. One more. Again, take simplify. Simplify. Root 2 plus 3, 4 minus root 3. Check. Check. First, what you need to check? Children, what do you need to check? You need to observe the problem and check whether you are able to apply any algebraic identity or not. Is it possible to apply? Is it possible to apply any identity over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you apply any identity here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So you're unable to, you can't use any identity over here. So we need to simplify in our regular way. What you have learned in grade 8, how to multiply, how to simplify. We used to take how the first term of this, that is root 2, 4 minus root 3, okay, plus, yeah, 3, next word, okay. This step, do you remember? Do you remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Ma'am.
we'll take root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Now the first term of this, then see how to multiply 4 root 2. You can't write root 8 here. This is an irrational number. Okay, you can't multiply. It will be like 4 root 2 minus, you can multiply this. Root 2 into root 3 will be, root 2 3s are 6.
6.
Okay, done. Concentrate on minus plus. Now here plus 3 4s are what?
12.
Plus into minus. Minus 3 into root 3. It's not root 9. It is 3 root 3. 3 root 3. 3 root 3.
Root 3.
3 root 3. We'll check whether, can we simplify? No. Here we have root 2. Here we have root 6. Here we have root 3. We can't simplify this. Okay? This will be the final step. We can't simplify. Keep as it is. Take down. Done? Shall I give one more?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, I'll give you one more. Yeah, check. Can you apply any identity? Can you apply?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Which identity? Which identity?
X plus A into X plus B.
It's not A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B.
No, ma'am. X plus B into X minus B.
X plus A into X plus B. You're talking about this identity. X plus A into X plus B. But here, this. Same. A plus B into A minus A and B are same. There is no change in A and B. Getting? Only I have written A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. Done? Shreya K, not getting?
I'm getting, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can't apply this, Kanika. We can't apply this. So we need to apply A plus B into A minus B.
A
It is
minus B.
A square minus B square.
B square.
Yeah, 3 minus root 5, same. It's in multiplication. If we change the order, there will be no change in the value. 3 square minus root 5 square. Now 3 square is what? What is 3 square?
9.
9 minus here C. Square and square root get cancelled. Square and square root gets cancelled. So now it will be 5.
5.
What will be the answer? 4. What will be the answer?
4.
4. Okay. Shall we stop here?